Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see a very good news to the PG candidates. Why? Because here the UGC NET or PhD is not at all required to the vacancies, whatever I am going to show you right now. So these are all the lecturer vacancies in the degree colleges as well as few other colleges are also there. And based upon the comments, okay, whatever the comments I got, so frequently I got the two subjects, most of the comments I got. So by keeping in mind those comments, I searched these vacancies, guys. And here one college is offering, that means one degree college is offering the minimum salary is 25,000 rupees per month and maximum salary is no limit. Okay, and that depends upon your knowledge or experience. Okay, anything. Fine. So the maximum salary, there is no limitation here. So it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the faculty job positions. Okay, with only post graduation. Fine. So please utilize this one. And I'm requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects in the comment section. So based upon that one, if I got the recruitment notifications, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my video as a notifications to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET Electronic Science examination in the month of October 2021. Here the Unacademy is providing the paper 1 and paper 2 complete course as well as the MCQ course and the class PDFs you can download, test series and the doubt clearing sessions. Okay, so you may take the subscription plan, that the link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. And you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. And if you want to contact me personally regarding this one, in the description box the Telegram link is also kept, so you may find out, guys. Coming to the present content of the video. So here it is Aditya degree colleges. So from this college here wanted the lecturers, notification reached. So to teach the BSc, BCA, BBA, BCom classes in the following subjects in our degree colleges at North Andhra and the Godavari districts, that means from Andhra Pradesh. So here the subjects you may know that maths, computers, commerce, biotechnology, forensic science, physics, statistics, management, microbiology, Telugu, chemistry, electronics, biochemistry and the English. Okay. And coming to the arithmetic, reasoning and soft skills. Okay, if you want to teach this one, then you can apply for these positions also, guys. So if you are having the post graduation in these departments, then you may apply for this one. And whatever the comments previously I got, okay, a few comments are mentioning the Telugu subjects and a few comments regarding the commerce, okay, and a few comments regarding the physics. Fine. And the history also, most of the comments I got. So regarding that one also, I searched one recruitment notification that I will show you next in this video. Okay, and attractive salary for the deserving candidates, and the coding trainers also required. Candidates having the good coding skills in C and Java and having experience in training students for technical interviews, also capable of developing the real-time projects. And coming to the special salary package, here mentioned as minimum 25,000 rupees per month and maximum salary there is no limit. Okay, and artificial intelligence, animation, data science and digital marketing candidates also required, okay, to teach either online or else the offline classes. And the librarians, lab demonstrators for all science laboratories and hardware technicians for computer labs also required. So whoever the interested candidates are there, you may send your resume to the career@aditya.ac.in, and here the contact numbers are also there, guys. So 0884 237 6665. If you are having any queries regarding this recruitment notification, so you please call to this number. Here the landline number as well as the mobile number is also there, 970 437 6667. So you may contact to any one of this number and clarify your doubts regarding this recruitment notification. Okay. And coming to the next one, as I told that I got a lot of comments regarding the subject of history. So walk-in interview, I mean it is BS College, Daspala, District Nayagar. So here the walk-in interview is there on 29 September 2021 for the lecturer position in the history. And here only PG is required. Okay, candidates securing more than 55% of marks at PG level may attend the interview with their original certificates in the college premises, and the TADA will not be allowed. So whoever the candidates looking for the history vacancies, and if you are nearer to this college, then you may go for the walk-in interview, guys. Okay. And coming to the next one is Government Polytechnic College. Okay, it is Angul. Here the telephone number is also there, and the mail ID and official website is also provided here. So here the walk-in interview is announced. Interested candidates having the requisite qualification as mentioned below and possessing the PAN and Aadhaar card may attend the walk-in interview along with the original testimonials and one set of self-attested photocopies and one passport size photograph as per the program below for the engagement of part-time faculty and the part-time guest lab assistant for the academic session 2021 to 22. Fine. And coming to the subjects here, maths, civil engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, entrepreneurship management. The qualification required is first class MSc or BE or BTech MCom in respective discipline. And the date of the walk-in interview is given here 28 September 2021 morning 11 o'clock. And coming to the lab assistant in mechanical and the computer applications. So first class diploma in mechanical engineering or computer science or IT. So the interview date is 29th September 2021 morning 11 o'clock. And the TADA will not be provided for the walk-in interview, guys. So these are the recruitment notification, and if you want to get the more details, you may visit the official website of this college and then search out the remaining details. Fine. Anyhow, so these are the three different notifications, okay, where only post graduation is required for this lecturer positions. So no need of UG Senate or else the PhD qualifications. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications in this pandemic situation. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subject in the comment section. So if I got the recruitment notification based upon your comments, then definitely I will come up in the next video. And to get all my videos as a notifications, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay,